Hi everyone, my name is Kennedy. I'm here to give you guys an honest review of these Befer eyelash clusters. Super excited to try these out. It comes with sizes from 10 all the way to 16, so you can customize them however you like. They're very easy to apply and they're very thick and natural looking, so super excited to try these on. I am going to put my hair up so none of it gets in my face while I do my eyelashes. I'm gonna go in with a 14 on the end of my lashes, because I want it to be more dramatic on the outside, and then like as I go on the inside, I want it to be less dramatic. So I'm gonna go with the second biggest size on the outside. So this is what the 14 looks like on the outside of my lashes. It's really cute. Obviously, it looks a little funny right now because I don't have the rest of them on, but I think I'm gonna go in with a 12 next. Okay, so that's a 12 next to it. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with a smaller one. Really, really cute. I really like how this is looking so far. And then finally, I'm gonna go in with a 10. Okay, that is a 10 on the very inside of my eye. All right, so that eye is done, and just look at the difference between my two eyes. Here is the one all done. It is so, so cute. And then my eye not done. Obviously the lashes are way shorter, but look at the definition that that gives you. It is actually crazy. I am so impressed with this. They look so, so good. Overall, I think that these lashes are really good quality. I love that you can customize the lengths that you put where. They're really, really easy to apply, and they do not come off at all. Like if I tug on them, they're completely fine. I like the thick look. I feel like it gives you a lot of definition with your eyes, but overall, amazing product. I really like it. I just did my other eye and I'm obsessed with how these look. The transformation is actually crazy. It defines my lashes so much better. They look so, so good, and I absolutely love them.